Hi everyone, welcome back in our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the language of navigation system of Hyundai Santa Fe. Apply for model 2013 until 2018. So let's switch on your navigation system. Now, here you can see the shortcut of the setting icon. Just press it. And you see all options on your screen. Choose system. Then we can select language, and you can see all available languages: German, English, French, Italian, Spanish, Dutch, Swedish, Danish, Russian, Portuguese, Czech, Polish and Slovakian. So let's select one of the languages. Let's select German language. And the system now is works on German language. Because I do not understand anything, English is good for me. I will go back in English. That's it. Very easy and simple. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for our channel. See you next time.